Good. Yeah? Yeah. Really making the mods work right now.
Thoughts today, I'll be honest, at work. I just left early.
Thank you. Are you kidding? Let me see. It looks so good. Super Paper Mario. And then also, sorry, excuse me. I'm gonna Apex sometime.
A little bit.
Hi.
You know?
Loud and clear.
That's so true.
Thank you. Thank you.
73 times.
Loud and clear, ready for takeoff.
You were funny, just kept getting knocked back. Knocked back.
I'm hopping down there.
I'm ready. So, we are gonna place you work off your debt. You naughty little things. I own you. Loot Patty. Gone. That was pretty good. And that is all I have to say on the matter. That is my fucking problem. Yeah, no, that Octane did just leave. Sounds fun. Okay. Or just Apex in general. I don't know.
I came in here after you.
That's what I'm saying.
Idiot.
Look at me being.
I'm a dad. Man. Hey,
This isn't just napkin stream. What we're gonna do is we're either gonna do half of
Ready? Get.
are fallen. No, wait. So I've been thinking in my I didn't have a lot of friends. It's like or death with these marbles. Don't worry, John.
Beautiful. Get started.
I'm burpy today. It's the Red Bull. Sexy Raptor! Representing Team Mod. Nice.
You know what to open it? They kept closing.
Him today. I just don't know how to talk. So what's probably.
Shut up, Di. And then later, Mario for an hour. Sorry, I drink a lot of Red Bull really quick. Let me up!